Oh, seatbelt. Welcome back. Got a 2012 Toyota Camry with almost 200,000 miles. It has like 199 on it. And I tell you what, this is a clean car. Very clean. Oh, like butter. Oh, dude. Man, this is just like an LE, but golly, it is clean. Jeez, man. Oh, this car's from my hometown, Dalton. Somebody was doing some commuting in this baby. I mean, 200,000 miles for 2012. A little on the high side. I mean, not awful, but a little bit. I mean, she is just like a sewing machine, man. Golly. So clean. Everything's clean on this car. All the buttons. All the little touch points. Just needs an oil change. It's amazing, man. The Camrys and Accords, you know, if you just marginally maintain one, they will last forever, and they still drive so good. I mean, this one is so good. We're gonna pull over right here and we'll do a little walk around. I would love to have one of these as like a commuter. Be an excellent car. Great gas mileage. But y'all, as clean as this car is, and it being a new car trade-in, I bet it brings $8,000, even though it's got 200K on it. Because the body on it is just stupendous. Just amazing. A few little rock chips in the front. Look at that engine bay. Just spotless. You know, good hood struts. Holy crap. They still work. Big money car right here. Big money car. Good tires. Yeah. This is going to bring the money. Going to bring... Oh my Lord, look how clean. Bring some serious money. The only thing I found wrong was this right here is a little jacked up. But, you know, we can fix that. That's not a big thing, man. Very nice. Very, very nice. This has got me want to, like, go borrow money, go to the bank and go borrow money and buy one. Like, go find an XLE, you know what I mean? With the sunroof and, oh man, it's that nice. It really is. Alright, I'll see y'all next time. I gotta find the parking spot for this thing. Like, comment, subscribe, peace.